Struggling to find cool Snowflake symbols for your posts? Stop searching. I'll show you a free tool to copy and paste them instantly. Here's the plan. First, we're going to head over to Namecheap's website. Then, we'll navigate to their font generator and pick out the perfect Snowflake symbols. No software to download, no signups, nothing like that. Let's jump in. So, the very first thing you want to do is open up your browser and go to Namecheap.com. Just type it in, hit enter, and let it load up. You're probably used to seeing Namecheap for buying domains or hosting, but they actually have a whole bunch of free tools tucked away on their site. That's what we're after today. Now that you're on the homepage, look over to the top menu bar. You're going to see a few different options. The one we need is labeled Apps. Click on that. This opens up a dropdown with a list of different services they offer. Once that dropdown appears, look near the bottom of it. You'll see an option that says View More. Go ahead and click that. This is going to take you to a full page where you can browse all the different tools Namecheap has built. It's a pretty handy collection, honestly. All right, this is where it gets fun. On this page, you're going to see a grid of different app icons and names. Scroll down until you find one that says, Create fancy fonts text for free and use it in social media posts, bios, messages. Copy and paste unique symbols to add personality to your text. It's a bit of a mouthful, I know, but that's exactly what we want. Click on that card. This will take you to the font generator tool. The page might look a little busy at first, but don't worry. The main area is where you can type text and see it transformed into different fancy fonts. But we're not here for the fonts today. We're here for the symbols. Look near the top of the tool's interface. You'll see a few tabs or buttons. One of them says Copy and Paste. Click on that. This switches the tool over to a library of symbols and special characters that you can grab instantly. After you click that, you'll see a new set of options appear just below it. One of them is labeled Multiple. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to expand the view and give you access to a ton of different categories of symbols. Now, here's the really important part. You're going to see a list of categories on the left side of the screen or in a drop-down menu. Scroll down through those categories until you find one that says Copy and Paste Winter and Christmas Unicode Characters. Click on that. Once you're in the Winter section, you'll see a few subcategories pop up. Look for one called Snowflakes, Asterisks, and Similar Shapes. Click on that. This is where all the good stuff lives. Now you're in the Snowflake zone. It sounds fancy, and it looks pretty cool. Click on that one too. You can select multiple symbols at once. Now that you've picked the ones you want, look for a button or option that says Highlight. Click that. This will effectively select all the symbols you've chosen so you can grab them all in one go. And from there, it's as simple as copying and pasting them wherever you want. And that's it. You've just unlocked a whole new set of Snowflake symbols to use in your social media bios, your branding, your holiday posts, anywhere you want. The best part is, because Namecheap's tools are built right into the web, you don't need any extra software or extensions. It's all free and ready to go whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!